Can I bring a car accident claim if the other driver reversed into my vehicle? Yes, you may be able to bring a claim in North Carolina. A driver is not supposed to back up unless it can be done safely and without interfering with other traffic. So if the other driver reversed into you, that can be strong evidence that they were at fault. But you still need proof. Helpful evidence includes the police report, photos of both vehicles, repair estimates, witness information, and any video from a dash camera, parking lot, or nearby business. If you have neck pain, you can still report it, even if you did not go to the emergency room. But a bodily injury claim is harder to prove without medical treatment. The insurance company may argue the pain was minor, unrelated, or not serious enough to require care. If you believe you are injured, get medical attention and keep records of your visits, bills, work restrictions, and symptoms. Also remember that North Carolina has a contributory negligence defense. The insurer may argue you were too close, failed to react, or somehow helped cause the crash. That is why your evidence should show both that the other driver backed up unsafely and that your own driving was reasonable. Finally, do not assume an open insurance claim protects your deadline. Many injury and property damage claims in North Carolina have a 3-year lawsuit deadline, but the exact deadline can depend on the facts.